In this video, I want to show you how you can use Virtual Assistant to automate your Kindle business 100% so you don't have to do any of the work that I've shown you in this course going forward. So, as you might have noticed, publishing books on Kindle can take and will take some time. Even though you don't write the books to yourself or do the cover, it will take some time, doing the keyword research, ordering the books, getting the books, book designs ordered, formatting the books, especially getting reviews for the books and uploading the books, all these steps. So all of these steps can actually be outsourced to competent virtual assistant that will work for you for $3 to $5 per hour. And what this can help you do is this will give you the free time to spend your time doing whatever else that you're interested in. Maybe you want to pursue another business idea, maybe you want to go back to your day job or whatever. It's definitely possible. So what I recommend you do is you go to this site called Upwork.com. And Upwork.com is a database of virtual assistant from all over the world that wants to work for someone like you and do all the work that you have for them. And the benefit for them is that they can work from wherever they are in the world. They can travel, they can do whatever they want as long as they get the work done. It's virtual, so they only need a computer to do the work. And the benefit for you is you don't have to pay any kind of insurance or employer tax or anything like that, because you are hiring them on a hourly basis online. Yep. So go to Upwork.com, and once you're there, you can post a job there where you talk about what you are looking for. So what I would do is I would go there and post a job and say that I'm looking for a virtual assistant that you want to hire on an ongoing basis. And then you list the jobs that they will have that you want them to do. And that would be like the different tasks that I have told you about. Do that from a helicopter perspective, list those tasks. And then you want to make sure that when you're looking for people, that these people must have good English skills in writing, because they need to be able to recognize if there's spelling errors in the books and maybe change them up. Or when they're doing the sales description, they need to have good English skills. And you will also need to list that you will train them, so they don't need to have done similar work before, even though you can find freelancers that have done businesses, Kindle business, publishing businesses like this before, but just offer them to train them. And once you post that job listing, you will have applicants, maybe 20 applicants within 24 hours, and then walk through the profiles and see which one of them you like. This will be an ongoing relationship, so it needs to be someone with you have chemistry with. And then schedule a few Skype meetings and get to talk to them and see if it'll work out. And then agree to do a simple task, assign them a simple task like get a cover designed, ordered for this book or something else, and see how they do. And after that, take them up on a month of work and see how they do. And after that, if they work out, that's great, and you'll be able to sit back and they'll do the rest of the work. You just need to spend that first month on training them on how to do the different steps, and maybe show some of this course to them, and also explain it to them in the words and that you want. Yeah. So, and after that, all you have to do is to spend your time coming up with topics and book titles for the books you want ordered. And then you just ship off those titles and book topics to them, and they'll make sure to order the books, get them written, or get the covers, get the books formatted, get them uploaded to Amazon, get them uploaded to CreateSpace for the paperback version, get them translated to or get them recorded for the audiobook, all of that. And then what I recommend you do is that they upload all this stuff, and then you just spend a few minutes every week. Once they email you and say, hey, okay, the books are ready now, you log in and you see everything is as it's supposed to be, and then you press publish, and then they can continue on getting the reviews for your books that they need. Yeah, so after that, you should have by now a machine that all you need to do is find new topics, ship them off to them, and the machine will take care of itself. And maybe sometimes spend time on making some of your bestsellers better and make more profit from it, but otherwise just spend time on finding profitable topics that needs some good content to help people, and publish more books. And yeah, soon you'll be making $3,000 to $4,000 a month or more. Definitely.